Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. These check all of those boxes and stinking cute too. Our pouches are so fun. We added a new size, 8-inch and a 10-inch. We have 3 different patterns, but if you haven't checked out our pouches yet, amazing. Zipper top, so it keeps everything you have inside safe and secure. A washable interior. You can actually put this whole thing right in the washing machine. Just take that great tassel off before you do it, and then dry it on low. Romance, here's your 8-inch. Here's your 10-inch. Here's what I love about them. I love being able to keep myself organized, whether I'm doing pens, whether I have my little eyeglass cleaner, my keys, my license. Love that I can put that all right in there. Maybe I have some bigger things, and we heard you loud and clear, like my cell phone that's a little bit bigger, maybe some of my makeup, my glasses, eye drops, you know, all those necessities. Now, what I love about doing this is hair ties. I can take these 2 pouches where I know where everything is, put it in my bigger bag, and keep myself even more organized. Okay, so what do we have? Well, we have Romance. You're getting both, the white pouch, which is 8-inch, and the red pouch, which is 10-inch. Okay, buckle up. Couldn't forget about Buffetti, now could we? So we did a beautiful Buffetti where you have Frankie and Little Mummy, and then look at the ghost and the cat on the large. So remember, you're getting a set of 2, both. Where can you find these? Head over to temp-tations.com and you can check it out. And then let's not also forget, we did our whimsy in those adorable, cute C9 lights with all of our favorite characters. So all you have to do is pick which pattern you want. You get both pouches, an 8-inch and a 10-inch, and I gotta tell you, these are amazing.